Is the beast from the east. A freezing weather front sweeping in from Russia this week, and it's set to bring temperatures lower than the Arctic to much of the UK.
What's up, chaps and chappers? Welcome back to another video. We've got an absolute classic for you today. We're talking about the type of content that can maybe get over 50 views, you know, really pushing the boundaries, headed to the top of the YouTube game. But nonetheless, let's just talk about why I actually went for this run in the first place. So before this, I've actually been going on runs relatively consistently. We're talking over about 12 miles per week, something like that, which isn't too bad to start with. So obviously it's going really well. We're already at the top of the YouTube game, obviously, stacking the views. And then also, we're headed to the top of the running game. And then all of a sudden, this beast from the east comes across to play. And it basically just says to me, chap, just sit nice and cozy in your chair. It's over, you know, the running career, it's at its time. I'm sat here in my chair, obviously, but I'm thinking, we don't take L's. We're going to go out for a run, and it's going to be a hell of a time. As if. These shoes, I think, are a bit too big. I think they might be one size too big. Deary me. Alright, so starting out, the run wasn't really that bad, you know, it was feeling pretty decent. I was thinking, perhaps we really have gotten away with one here, chaps. -4 degrees, that's nothing. And here's the thing, I was happy to do the cinematic shots at this point as well, so it kind of shows the comfort levels. It wasn't really that difficult at the start. And I think I spent a good like 40 seconds trying to get my tripod round a tree. Definitely something you want to be doing in freezing cold temperatures with shorts on, you know. Just a typical day for your boy M. Burgee. Right, coming up to the halfway mark. There's loads of times where I have to kind of stop because it's so icy, man. Whew. My. It is cold out here. My gloves are not thick. Honestly, what an idea. We're around about the 3 kilometers mark. It was getting very rough, to say the least. In this situation, I seem to think that it got 10 times worse. And to be honest, looking back at it, it probably was about that. It's a bad idea. Wait, this snowstorm. I'm pretty sure. It's got like 10 times worse. Oh my god. Basically, the halfway mark is a windmill, which is also a bar/restaurant. And there was everyone in there, like, standing in the doorways. Everyone was looking at me as if I should be in Arkham Asylum. Absolutely mad. And here's the thing, I couldn't even disagree with them. What was I doing?
When you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I did this kind of as a joke, but I didn't realize just how cold it is. My hands are absolutely freezing. I can barely feel my lips. So here's the thing, the one time I decide to wear thin gloves is when it's -4 outside. My hands have never been this cold before. I literally had to stop and just try and get some body heat. And then, of course, my camera falls over. Chaps, the storm has died down just a bit. My mum's calling me now, but I can't pick up the phone I literally can't get it out of my pocket. Yeah, it's rough. The storm, it's died down a little bit. I can actually feel my fingers a little bit. And just try not to fall over right now. My. Alright, we're headed back. It's just a case of survival now. We just need to get back. Seriously, this is rough. This is tougher than I thought it'd be. Much tougher than I thought it'd be. Deary me. I feel it in my enough to make my It's getting worse. It's getting much worse. Whoa! My God. We're almost back, I think. Oh my God. We've got to go up a hill now. We have to go uphill to get back. This is genuinely scary. My fingers are freezing up, like, my fingers are so cold. This is actually genuinely scary now. At this point, you'll notice not doing any cinematic shots and stuff like that. I was genuinely scared. I was thinking maybe I might get hypothermia or something like that because my fingers were just getting absolutely wrecked out there. And I just needed to get back as fast as possible. Getting pretty scared, I'm not gonna lie. And it may sound stupid, but I didn't know. I've never been this cold in my life before, so I just needed to get back.
One of these that has to exercise, come rain or snow.
Words cannot describe how much my fingers hurt right now. Oh my God, it's literally, it's so bad, it hurts so much. Oh my God. Jeez. Obviously at the end we make it back, my hands are just gone, my fingers are just gone. And then I basically just get a hot tap, rinse them, and honestly, like, the worst pain I've felt in a long time. Honestly, the pain that you get, like the stinging in your fingers and in your hand when you put it under hot water, it's barely containable, chaps. So after that, I literally just started walking around because I couldn't contain the pain. I just had to do something. We went up against the storm, and the storm took an L, it's got to be said. So that's going to be the end of this video, chaps and chappets. Make sure to leave a like if you do actually want to see more of these weekly videos. And yeah, I'll see you chaps and chappets on the next one. Mine.